Are you tired of juggling multiple hardware wallets, each supporting only a handful of cryptocurrencies? Do you dream of a single, sleek solution that fits in your pocket and secures a vast array of digital assets? If you've been exploring the world of self-custody, chances are you've come across Tangem, those ingenious credit card-sized hardware wallets. But the burning question remains, what coins are actually compatible with Tangem? For newcomers to the crypto space, the sheer volume of digital assets can be overwhelming. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies and tokens, each with its own blockchain or operating on an existing one. Understanding which hardware wallet supports which asset is crucial for secure storage. Tangem stands out for its simplicity and innovative approach, moving away from traditional USB connections and complex seed phrase backups. Instead, it relies on an embedded secure element and NFC technology, making it incredibly user-friendly. So, let's dive into the core of the matter. Tangem's compatibility is surprisingly broad, especially considering its compact form factor. It leverages the power of major blockchain ecosystems, meaning if a coin or token exists on one of these supported networks, Tangem can likely secure it. First and foremost, Tangem offers robust support for Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. This is a given for almost any reputable hardware wallet, as these are the two largest and most widely adopted cryptocurrencies. For Ethereum, this means not only native ETH but also the vast universe of ERC20 tokens. Think of popular stablecoins like USDT and USDC, decentralized finance, DeFi, tokens, and countless other projects built on the Ethereum blockchain. This alone opens up a massive range of compatible assets. Beyond these giants, Tangem extends its reach to other major Layer 1 blockchains. You'll find compatibility with BNB Chain, formerly Binance Smart Chain, allowing you to secure BNB and its extensive ecosystem of BEP20 tokens. Similarly, Tangem supports Polygon, Matic, and its associated tokens, providing access to its rapidly growing DeFi and NFT landscape. Solana, SOL, is another key player in Tangem's supported networks, meaning you can store SOL and various Solana-based tokens. The list continues with Avalanche, AVAX, and its C-chain tokens, Phantom, FTM, Tron, TRX, and its TRC20 tokens, and even popular memecoins like Dogecoin, Doge, and Litecoin, LTC. This wide-ranging support is a testament to Tangem's commitment to providing a comprehensive self-custody solution. It's important to note that while Tangem supports these networks, specific token compatibility within those networks can sometimes vary. However, the general rule of thumb is that if a token adheres to the standards of its native blockchain, e.g., ERC20 on Ethereum, BEP20 on BNB Chain, it will very likely be compatible. Tangem achieves this extensive compatibility by integrating with various blockchain explorers and protocols, allowing it to interpret and display your asset balances securely. The beauty of Tangem lies in its card-centric approach, where each card holds a portion of your private key, requiring multiple cards for full access, thus enhancing security. This distributed key generation makes it incredibly resilient against single points of failure. In essence, Tangem is designed to be a versatile guardian of your digital wealth. Its compatibility stretches across the most prominent and widely used blockchain networks, providing a secure haven for a diverse portfolio of cryptocurrencies and tokens. So, whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just starting your journey, Tangem offers a compelling solution for secure and convenient self-custody. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.